This is the last 50% off high level promo for a long time. So please take advantage of it because it's only lasting for 6 days and it will be gone soon and there won't be another one for a long time. So the way this works is if you sign up, you get 50% off of Go High Level right now and you get free AI for the entire summer. This is absolutely huge, and you can get access to this by signing up right down below. The link is literally right down below. You can go to my landing page. You'll see a banner or just this link. So please take advantage of this. On my page, it'll be popped up right up top here as a banner, and you just click it and you get access. Again, this is not a joke. This is the last time for a while, like many months, you're going to be able to get the 50% off of Go High Level. So please go down below, take advantage of this. It's a game changer, okay? And you get free AI. Now, on top of that, I'm also going to be giving you access when you sign up with this to my entire private community full of winners for free. Yes, you're going to get all of this plus all of my trainings, all of my client getting systems, all of my snapshots, sales scripts, AI prompts, agency snapshot, DOMS bonuses, and everything else for free. You will also get access to all of my live calls. So you see one with me right here where you can talk to me. We have calls, which is help with getting clients, really important. Help with sales, okay? Help with getting clients advances like running ads and scaling up and stuff. Really learning the ins and outs of high-level systems. Help with Go High Level like A2P and the whole 9 yards and setting up high-level systems. And again, all of this is, you guessed it, free. Yes, right down below. Also, you can message me whenever you want by clicking this chat right here. So this is a huge opportunity, guys. Again, it's like amazing when High Level does this. This is actually one of the ways I got started many years ago on Black Friday. I took advantage of one of these discounts and it actually helped me greatly because I had no money at the time. And what happened was I signed up with the 50% off, okay, saved the money, and then I was able to land one client that ended up paying for the 50% subscription for many months, and I actually got my cash flow good enough where I could keep paying for High Level and actually make a business out of this. So I'm not just saying this to get you to sign up. I've actually used this, and it was a huge leg up. Now, again, I'm not guaranteeing that happens to you, but it is an amazing promo, and it's only lasting for 6 days. So make sure you take advantage of it right down below. And as you see here, guys, this is a pretty cool little chart, but you're seeing right here the discounts. So instead of $97 per month for the first plan, you're getting it for $48 plus free AI, okay? You go to the other plan, which is the second, the unlimited plan. It is normally $297 per month, but with this promo, as you see right here, it is only $148. That is why this is absolutely goated. But most importantly, the big boy plan, the SaaS Pro plan, which is normally $500 per month, is only for a limited time, $248 per month plus free AI. Again, guys, these promos do not happen all the time. This is not fake scarcity. This is not fake hype. These legitimately do not happen all the time. You see right here, there's 6 days left, and this is the last one, I believe, until Black Friday, which if you know how far away that is, that's like 3, 4, 5 months away. So you got to take advantage of this now. And again, you see the pricing here. It's absolutely amazing. The link is right down below. You can click it. It'll be my link, but there should be a banner right up top here. Or even if you click in and use it, it should be just pre-populating. You can go in and put your info and get your 50% off. But again, you will get emailed access to this entire community. So actually make sure that as soon as you sign up, you look for my email because it's going to say, hey, thank you. Here's the SaaS Lab login. And then you can immediately get started. And if you get started today, guys, my call is actually today. Yes. If you're watching this on Monday, it's right now today. So check that out. I think you guys will absolutely love this. Again, this is a limited time thing. I know I keep saying that, but it's because a lot of you guys think that they're going to just keep doing these. But in reality, once this is done, it's going to be months where High Level is going to be full price. So 97, 300, 500. It'll just be locked in and the AI is going to cost money. But those of you who go now, you're getting a massive monster discount. So seriously, guys, again, I could speak for hours on this. Take advantage of these promos. They are absolutely insane, but they also could be the thing. Again, I'm not promising anything, but it could be the thing that takes you to the next level because it enables you to save money. So if you have any questions on this, drop in the comments down below. I will answer. Again, all you got to do is go right down below, click the link, get started. You should be emailed access to all of my bonuses, and I look forward to seeing you inside the ASS Lab. So thanks again for watching, and go right down below and get your 50% off.